No.
So we'll go like this for all the photos.
Perfect. You ready for this little bull ride?
Yeah. I've got SPF on and I'm ready.
Andiamo. Getting ready for the gala. Chloe, are you ready? Wow. Wow. Mi amor.
Do you remember this dress, you guys? From the Cannes Film Festival a couple years ago with Jouet? It's the same one. It's just my hair a bit different.
Amazing.
Thank you. Doesn't just arrive to the gala. I think this is the right spot. I don't know. Can you tell?
Chloe, it's not a gala, it's a gala.
Gala, my
Just
bad.
arrived to the gala.
Thank you for always fixing my mistakes.
You're welcome, Chloe. What would you
Doesn't
do
it
without
look
me?
fabulous?
I'm so helpful.
So helpful. So we danced up a storm at the event and we just came back. We've actually got a couple of hours before we have to go to the airport. But look what was left in our room. The fragrance that they launched this evening. Wow. It's so cool how it's black. What's this thingy though? Oh wow, it's heavy.
Is it?
Ooh, oh, one
Another
for
one.
each of us, of course.
Oh, no way.
So we don't fight over it. Wow, thank you so much, Mr. Nas and the Nas team. We had so much fun.
So we actually have to pack right now because in a few hours we have to head to the airport, which is crazy, but it is what it is. So are you ready to start packing? Because I'm really tired.
I'm not emotionally ready, but I guess
It is what it is.
it is what it is. And I actually already mostly packed. I just have to put away my makeup and stuff.
Well, this is it. 7 something in the morning and we're about to fly back to Los Angeles. We're signing off.